Welcome to the future of riding with the electric tricycles of 2025. Experience next-level power, speed, and comfort all in one ride. With cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly design, these trikes are built for smooth rides, unbeatable range, and effortless cruising. The MeetOne Tour 2400-watt dual-motor electric tricycle is a high-performance e-trike built for comfort and durability. Featuring dual 750 watts motors, it reaches 25 mph and offers a range of up to 130 miles with a 180 nanometer torque for smooth acceleration. The semi-recumbent riding posture with an adjustable saddle and backrest ensures ultimate comfort, ideal for seniors or those with limited mobility. Equipped with a full suspension system and 20-inch fat tires, it offers excellent stability on all terrains. The hydraulic disc brakes, color LCD display, and reverse mode add convenience, while safety features like brake lights and turn signals enhance visibility. With a 550 pounds load capacity and exceptional comfort, the MeetOne Tour is perfect for long rides, daily use, and navigating various road conditions. The ADDMOTOR CITYTRI E3110 electric trike is a game-changer for adults and seniors seeking a comfortable, efficient ride. With a durable aluminum frame and front suspension, it offers a smooth and stable experience, supporting up to 280 pounds plus 80 pounds. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for short trips and outdoor activities. Powered by a 750-watt motor with a peak 1400-watt motor, it reaches 20 mph with ease. The 48-volt 20-amp-hour removable battery offers up to 90 miles in pedal mode, ensuring long-lasting performance. Featuring UL 2849 certification for safety and a rear differential system for better traction, it ensures stability and smooth turns on various terrains. Assembly is a breeze with 85% pre-assembly, and local customer support adds extra convenience. The ADDMOTOR CITYTRI E310 is the perfect electric trike for a comfortable, reliable ride. The XP Trike 2 is a powerful and comfortable electric trike designed for performance and convenience. Powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor, 1092 watts peak, with 65 nanometer of torque, it offers quick acceleration and smooth rides. The 48-volt 13.8Ah removable battery provides up to 50 miles of range on a single charge, with keyless riding for easy operation. Its Cloud 50 suspension fork ensures a smooth ride, while the hydraulic brakes and 20-inch puncture-resistant tires offer excellent safety and stability. The custom TFT LCD display provides real-time trip data, and the hydroformed aluminum frame is both lightweight and durable. With a low step-over height for easy mounting, integrated safety lights, and a rear rack for carrying up to 75 pounds, the XP Trike 2 is ideal for both city commutes and leisurely rides. The MOONCOOL electric tricycle is designed for comfort, reliability, and performance. Powered by a 48-volt 500-watt motor, it reaches a top speed of 15.5 mph and is equipped with a 48-volt 14.5Ah removable battery, providing a range of 30 to 45 miles. With 3 riding modes, you can easily switch between electric, assisted, or normal tricycle modes to suit your needs. The puncture-resistant fat tires offer great traction on various terrains, while the 6061 aluminum frame ensures durability and strength. The large rear basket is perfect for groceries or personal items, and the LED headlight enhances visibility for safe night rides. Whether for daily commutes or short trips, the MOONCOOL electric tricycle provides a stable, smooth, and enjoyable ride for all users. The Mobo Triton Pro is a 3-wheel recumbent bike designed for adults and seniors seeking a stable, comfortable ride. Its reclined seat and low-impact design provide an excellent cardiovascular workout with minimal stress on the back and knees, making it perfect for those who prefer a more relaxed cycling experience. The dual joystick steering offers smooth, easy maneuverability, while the low center of gravity ensures maximum stability, eliminating the need for balancing. It's adjustable to fit various riders and supports up to 250 pounds. The high-ten steel frame ensures durability, while the chainless design and caliper brakes provide low maintenance and safety. With a safety flag for visibility, the Mobo Triton Pro is the ideal choice for cruising or light exercise, offering a reliable and enjoyable ride for all. The MAXFOOT MF30 electric tricycle combines power, comfort, and versatility for a superior riding experience. Powered by a 750 watts rear drive motor, 1100 watts peak, it offers 85 Nm of torque, making it perfect for various terrains. With a 48-volt 20-amp-hour UL-certified battery, it provides up to 85 miles in pedal assist mode and 32 to 42 miles in pure electric mode. The 7-speed Shimano gears and variable speed twist throttle let you easily navigate different gradients, while the fat tires enhance grip and traction. The front suspension fork reduces bumps, and the differential gear ensures smooth cornering and braking. The step-through frame makes mounting easy, and the rear basket provides convenient storage. With a top speed of 22 mph, the MAXFOOT MF30 is an ideal choice for those seeking a comfortable, reliable, and safe electric trike. The EMOJO Bull electric tricycle is designed for adults who seek comfort, stability, and versatility. With its low step-through design, it offers easy mounting, making it ideal for seniors or those with limited mobility. Powered by a 500-watt motor, this trike ensures smooth handling, even on uphill climbs or when carrying heavy loads. Its innovative differential system provides superior stability while turning, braking, and accelerating. Enjoy up to 100 miles of range by adding a secondary battery. The 7-speed gear system adapts to various terrains, providing a smooth, efficient ride. With a 300-pound capacity rear basket, it's perfect for errands or outings. The LCD display keeps you informed of key metrics, and the trike is UL certified for safety. The EMOJO Bull is a reliable, comfortable, and powerful solution for all your electric trike needs. The Puckipuppy Alaskan Trike is a robust electric tricycle built for both city and mountain roads. Powered by a 960-watt peak motor, it reaches 25 mph in pedal assist mode and 15 mph in throttle mode, offering smooth acceleration and speed. With an impressive 90 to 110 miles of range, it's perfect for long commutes or leisurely rides. The 20-inch fat tires and front suspension provide excellent stability and comfort, even on rough terrain. Its rear differential system ensures safety and smooth handling, while the 500-pound payload capacity and spacious rear basket make it ideal for errands or picnics. With hydraulic disc brakes and 7-speed gears, this trike ensures a smooth, safe ride. The LED display keeps you informed of real-time riding stats, making the Puckipuppy Alaskan Trike a perfect choice for durability and performance. Thanks for checking out the electric tricycles of 2025. Ready for the future of cycling? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Stay ahead and keep riding smart.